Verifying your Deliveroo account is an important step to ensure a smooth experience while using the service. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Deliveroo app. If you haven't already, download the Deliveroo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one. Step 2. Enter your personal information. Once you have created your account, log in and navigate to the account settings. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 3. Upload required documents. To verify your account, you may need to upload specific documents. This could include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Follow the prompts in the app to upload these documents securely. Step 4. Confirm your email address. Check your email for a verification link sent by Deliveroo. Click on the link to confirm your email address. This step is crucial for account verification and communication. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents and confirming your email, wait for Deliveroo to review your information. You will receive a notification once your account is verified, which may take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once you have completed these steps, your Deliveroo account should be verified, allowing you to enjoy all the features of this service.